Assalamu alaikum and good morning, dear students. The chapter number first of the biology, two lectures. I delivered the two lectures and I give you the concept of the history of biology, the meaning of biology, the definition of biology, the main branches of biology, and the sub branches of biology. We discussed some sub branches of biology. In today's lecture, we discuss the more are further sub branches of biology. If you remember in the previous lecture, we do the detail of the sub branches till taxonomy. Today, I am going to start from the embryology. Embryo means immature organism. Immature organism means that the organism in which the organs etc. are not fully developed and it is an immature which is in developmental stages. So the embryo means immature organism which is not fully developed, while the logy means to study or discuss. So embryology is the branch of biology which deals with the study of embryo and its development into a new organism is called embryology. Clear that embryo means an immature. Immature means that the plant or the animal which is in the developmental stages, which is not fully developed, which organs are not fully developed, and it is in developmental stages. So the branch of biology which deals with the study of embryo and its development into a new organism is called embryology. The development of fish from a fertilized egg, as you discussed in the previous classes, class 3 and 4th and 5th, I think so, the development of the fish and the development of the different insects like butterfly etc. Clear the cycles, the life cycles, different life cycles. So you see the development of a butterfly from an egg and the development of a fish from a fertilized egg. So these all developmental changes in which a new organism is formed is known as embryology. Clear? The next branch is the paleontology. The paleontology, the paleo means the fossils organisms. The fossil organisms are those organisms which are present under the earth's surface. It means that the dead remains of the living organism, the dead remains, dead bodies of the plants and animals which is present under the earth's surface is known as the fossils. So paleo means fossils, dead remains of plants and animals. Onto means ancient. Clear, onto means ancient and logi means to study. So the branch of biology which deals with the study of fossils of past organisms is called paleontology. You maybe you learned you heard that the some organisms are there present under the earth's surface. So whenever the people who sought out these living remains, these dead bodies from the earth's surface and study them, this person is known as paleontologist, and the branch in which the dead remains of the living organisms are studied is known as paleontology. Is you know that the dinosaurs were present once upon a time in the past, but they are not present nowadays. So the dead remains of the dinosaurs is present under the earth's surface. Similarly, some plants, other birds like dodo bird, clear. So they are not present nowadays on the earth, but their dead remains are present under the earth's surface. So whenever the person who study the dead remains of the living organisms is known as the paleontology. So the branch of biology deals with the study of fossils of past organisms is called paleontology. Clear? There are two sub branches of paleontology, the paleobotany and the paleozoology. If you remember, in the main branches are the major branches of biology. We discussed the botany, zoology, and microbiology. So what is botany? Yes, the study of plants is known as the botany, while the study of animals is known as paleozoology. So definitely from it is clear from its name that the paleobotany is the study of plant fossils. Clear? A study of plant fossils. You will mention the fossils mandatory, because without the, if you study the plant, so this is known as a botany, so you will mention the name fossils with it, then it will be the paleobotany. So the study of plant fossils is called paleobotany, and the study of animals fossils is called paleozoology. Clear? So the branch of biology which deals with the study of fossils of past organisms is known as paleontology, and paleontology is further divided into two sub branches. The paleobotany is the study of plant fossils, and the paleozoology is the study of fossil animals. And what do you mean by fossils? The fossils are the dead remains of the living bodies, are they are the dead bodies of the past organism which is present under the earth surface. The most important branch जो कि पेपर में बहुत ज़्यादा आता है, it is the paleontology. Now the next one branch is the entomology. What is the meaning of entomon? Entomons mean notched. If you see, notched means segmented parts. अगर आप लोगों ने देखा हो तो insects की body is divided into head, thorax and abdomen. The body of the insects is divided into head, thorax and abdomen. So whenever we study the insects, the segmented body of the insects, this is known as entomology. Entomon means notched, endogy means discuss. So the branch of biology which deals with the study of insects is called entomology, like honeybees, like cockroach, etc. So when we study the insects, this is known as entomology. The next branch is the immunology. Nowadays, the immunity is discussed very broadly because the coronavirus is there, and corona has affected a large population of the world, the population of every country in the world. That's why we discussed the word immunity many times. So the people whose bodies are strong, whose white blood cells are strong, and whose bodies can fight against the virus, can fight against the disease causing microorganisms. So this is known as the immunity of the body. समझ आ गई कुव्वत मुदाफ़ियत, the resistance of the body against diseases, because whenever there is if some microorganisms enter in the body like bacteria, like virus, etc., so they affect the body. So if your immune system is strong, your white blood cells are strong, so you can fight against the microorganisms. But you are weak, so it means your immunity is weak, and your white blood cells are weak, and you can't fight against the diseases. So immuno means defense. समझ आ गई? defense, लड़ना, हिफाजत करना. Immuno means defense and logy means to study. Definition: the branch of biology we deal with the study of body defense immune system against disease causing microorganisms like viruses, bacteria is called immunology. आपने देखा होगा, यू कैन ऑब्जर्व कि बहुत से लोग कोरोना से रिकवर कर जाते हैं, सही हो जाते हैं, लेकिन बहुत से लोगों की डेथ हो जाती है. तो डेथ क्यों हो जाती है? क्योंकि उनकी इम्यूनिटी वीक होती है, उनके वाइट ब्लड सेल्स वीक होते हैं. दैट्स वाई दे कांट फाइट अगेंस्ट अ वायरस एंड दे, जिसकी वजह से वो जो है वो मर जाते हैं, वो डेड हो जाते हैं, उनकी डेथ हो जाती है. सो इम्यूनो मीन्स डिफेंस, and the branch of biology deals with the study of body defense against disease causing microorganism is called immunology. The next branch is the genetics. Meaning gene means unit of heredity. Unit of heredity means विरासत. Clear? कि जब कभी भी आपको अपने पेरेंट्स से अपने कैरेक्टर्स मिलते हैं, दिस इज नोन एज हेरिडिटी. और जो चेंज कैरेक्टर्स आपको मिलते हैं उन्हें हम कहते हैं वेरिएशंस. तो जितने भी आपको अपने पेरेंट्स से कैरेक्टर्स मिलते हैं, आई कलर, हेयर कलर, हाइट, बोलने का अंदाज, उठने बैठने का अंदाज, these all are included in the heredity. So the gene means the unit of heredity. Definition of genetics is the branch of biology which deals with the study of heredity is called genetics. Examples: the transmission of eye color, आपको जो brown eye color, black eye color या hair color, brown hair color, black hair color, straight hairs, whatever it is, height, आपकी height, जो भी आपको characters अपने parents से मिलते हैं उसको हम पढ़ते हैं genetics में. तो those characters which are same from your parents, they are known as heredity, and those characters which are different from your parents, this is known as variations. The branch of biology which deals with the study of heredity is called genetics. Transmission of eye color, hair color, height, etc.